现在小菜园都待不住了，天天蚊子太多。但是我们家黄瓜和西红柿已经到了不得不把它们处理一下的地步，要不是整个菜园都完蛋了。西红柿结了一大堆，但是支撑不住。
Just do it, hit it like this, okay?
Yeah.
Keep going. Keep going. More, more, more. A little more.
No. It's okay.
You want to get the rope and tie it on, or do you want to get that chicken? This is very difficult to work with, so why don't we try the rope first? Want to try the rope?
You have this like what's this mean?
The rope, cord, string, this.
No.
Oh, the wire. Okay. The wire.
Careful.
Okay, tell me what. Here, just put that. Just get that out of the way. That's called baling wire.
What have this?
Yes.
老公还弄回来一些铁丝网。
Yes. I have about 20 or 30 feet, 20 feet here. Okay. It's called baling wire.
Baling wire.
Okay, so okay, stick that through where you want it. Okay.
Here, same.
Yeah, same hole. Yep. Okay. All right.
Don't cut. Just move or.
No, we'll just cut it.
I think we don't cut. Can you do?
Oh, I can do it angled.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So just secure that. Wrap that around. Wrap it around. Honey,
No, you just this is also okay. Why is it little rubber?
Oh, you need to stabilize one end. Just do. That's the end, honey. We can, honey. Just
Give me.
Honey, stabilize. Just wrap it around on that end, and we'll zigzag it up. Okay? Wrap it around. Just wrap it around. Just no. Down here. Down there. No, like this. Level. Yes. Wrap it around a couple of times. Go. One more time. Honey, wrap it around a couple of times. Honey, have you ever worked with this before? Wrap it around once or twice around the bar. Honey, wrap it around once or twice around the bar. Why are you fighting me? Just stabilize one end.
I just get this 1, 2,
Yeah,
like
no,
this.
we will do this way from this end. Just wrap that around on one end.
This you don't know
Honey,
how
look,
long.
Can I step here?
No.
Okay,
no.
can you wrap that around one end, please? You've never worked with baling wire. No. Wrap it around. Tight. That's it. Good. Fine. Now.
You know how long here?
I don't know how long.
So you get me. I know how long here. Why you don't think this? You just get now. I know how long this.
Okay,
I'm just to do it.
Then just do it. Then just do it your way. Okay? Let's do it your way. Hold on. I've got to feed it through. Just relax.
Cut out.
No, I'm going to leave those on. No, you know, if I did this, you'd be screaming at me if I was pulling hard like that. Okay?
Yeah, very silly.
I'll tighten that up with the wrench. Okay. Here. Use the pliers. Use the pliers. They're easier to work with. Just that's it. This loose here, or how do you want to do this?
Okay, don't cut. Maybe I just move here. Cut here. Cut here.
You sure? Are you sure?
Yeah, you do.
Always cut it a little longer in case you. Not yet.
That's nice.
I'm hungry.
Look like cucumber.
All right, so let's get some food from the garden. Come on.
I tell you, dear.
You tell me.
So, look at this tomato.
All right, what about it?
Different is the color. So this is orange.
Yeah,
This is red. I think this is natural.
natural color.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's natural color.
Okay. So what are you going to get now?
Check my tomato yesterday.
Okay.
The big rain is just down.
Big rain.
Mm.
Yeah. Heavy rain.
Yeah, it's too heavy.
Okay.
Look, it's too big.
What's too big?
Tomato too big. Heavy.
Oh, too heavy. Okay.
Too heavy.
Okay.
So. Wow.
Okay. So what are we going to have for breakfast
Breakfast.
or lunch or brunch? What are we eating?
Cucumber.
Cucumber? What else?
Just cucumber.
Just cucumber? That's all we're having?
Mm.
Oh boy. Okay.
你拿去打哎，I'm worried.
Okay.
Worried is that is cucumber.
Okay.
Look at this.
Wow, look at the size of that one.
How amazing. This is 5, 6. 6 cucumber.
6 cucumbers. There's a bee in there, so.
Check the other one. 6 cucumber. Yeah, today. This one small. We get the one
No, let it grow for tomorrow.
for tomorrow.
Yeah.
This need this. Okay.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, so I'm gonna need. Why don't you want to have it with a shanxi vinegar?
I think this is later.
Okay. Good. No transportation costs. Cheap.
Really? No.
water, dirt, seeds, labor,
Oh.
very expensive.
What?
Yeah, all the water we've used, all the dirt we had to buy to mix in with this soil.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead on that one. Okay. I got to be on this side. You're gonna have to push up when I'm pushing up. Yeah, there we go. That's it. Keep going.
Okay.
Did it click?
Yeah.
Alright, fine.
We need this doing again here. This is doing this here. 再加固一下，再绑个石头。昨天风太大了，差一点把这所有都吹翻了。看这4个角，现在用4个石头在固定。Too big windy yesterday.
Yeah, not well. Okay. Yeah, that was scary. I was sitting in the living room and all I hear is, "Dear,
Just hold.
come here." And this thing's like,
我正好
wind is
我昨天正好在检查一下，我说看看这个能不能顶住狂风，结果一看要飞上天了，
unbelievable.
然后我赶紧给它 hold 住。Dear, come in.
Dear, coming, yeah, come here, yeah.
Yes.
It's like, well, all right, what now? You know? It's like, oh no.
看看我的丝瓜，我的丝瓜只是开黄花怎么办？只是开花不结果，丝瓜，我的再去给学习一下，看一看为什么。